Hi everyone, let's make tree costume at home. Materials that are required for this are 3 sheets of brown construction paper, 3 sheets of green construction paper, craft glue, scissors, cotton, 3 sticks, old t-shirt, old pant. Let's get started. Step 1. Making the top. For this, make a stem-shaped cutout from the brown construction paper and stick it on the old t-shirt with the help of a craft glue. Now fold the green construction paper into a square and draw a leaf on the top of the paper and cut it. This makes many leaves at a time. Apply glue only on one end of the leaf and start sticking the leaves on the branches. Here, make sure to apply glue only on one end of the leaf, as this gives 3D effect to the leaves. You can stick as many leaves as you want. You can also stick some leaves on the edges of the sleeves. Now our top is ready. Next, let's move on to our second step, making the crown for the head. For this, make 2 long strips of brown construction paper with 3 inches of width each and stick them together to form a long strip so that it fits on the head. Now you can attach some small strips of brown paper to form branches. You can attach as many small strips as you like to make many branches. Stick some leaves on the branches as well, and you can also stick some leaves on the headband. Cut the sticks into equal halves and remove sharp edges if any. Stick these sticks on the back side of the branches of the crown with the help of a transparent tape. This makes the branches stiff. Now apply glue all over the band as shown. Stick the cotton all over the applied glue. This avoids the rubbing of the sticks on the forehead so that the kids are more comfortable wearing the crown. Now you can stick the edges of the band depending on the head size with the help of a glue stick or a transparent tape. That's it, our crown is ready. Now that our top and crown are ready, let's move on to our next step, that is making the bottom, that is the tree trunk. For this, all we need to do is to cut the brown construction paper into thin strips as shown. Now stick these thin strips onto the band with the help of a craft glue. You can stick as many thin strips as you want. That's it. Our tree costume is ready. Hope the video was helpful. Please do like and share our video and subscribe to the channel Bright Kids TV. Hope you have a good day ahead. Thanks for watching. Bye.